For the past couple days, I've been getting hundreds of DMs that ask me 4 questions that I'm gonna be answering in this video. The first one is, Rob, how come the timing on my TikTok analytics are always wrong and how come the analytics are always glitching? Secondly, does it mean that your TikTok account is shadow banned if your analytics aren't showing up? Third, did the TikTok For You page reset and is that ruining the amount of views that you're getting and the content that you're seeing on your For You page? And then finally, Rob, how can I use my analytics to help me grow even faster on TikTok? Because trust me, if you don't have 8 minutes to watch this video and you're not gonna put in the time to actually learn how to use your analytics to help you grow on TikTok, well then you're just never gonna become a successful influencer. That being said, in this video we're gonna answer all of those questions, and at the end of the video I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 analytics that you guys need to be looking at, need to be paying attention to, and need to be making sure you're improving if you wanna start growing faster on TikTok. And please, make sure you stick around for the end of the video to watch it, because if you're trying to get somewhere and you're not using the right GPS or even using a map, well then guess what? How could you ever expect to get there? It's the same exact thing when it comes to your TikTok analytics. If you're not paying attention to that, it's going to give you the roadmap for how to grow your account, how to get more views, how to get more followers, and how to keep getting on the For You page. And if you're not paying attention to that, then you're completely missing out. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin, and I'm the CEO of Helping You Grow on TikTok. I've made so many videos about the TikTok algorithm, how to get on the For You page, how to gain 100,000 followers, and so many other videos. My next 2 videos are gonna be about the latest TikTok algorithm update for April, and I'm gonna be releasing a video about how to get 10,000 followers in just 5 minutes. So please, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on those episodes. And if you have a question about anything that I say throughout this entire video, please leave a comment below. I answer every single comment I get on my YouTube videos. So first and foremost, no, the TikTok For You page did not reset. The TikTok For You page is not messed up. I don't know why, but some journalist, well, I do know why. Some journalists wrote an article, they're from a no-name company, wrote an article that's saying that the TikTok For You page was reset. That is not the case. That is totally false news. I don't know if people are making TikToks about this. I don't know where you guys are getting this information from. That did not happen. But if you do delete your cache on TikTok, that can actually cause your For You page to reset and actually show you new content, in which case, yes, verified creators or creators that make viral content are gonna be who you're seeing. That being said though, no, the TikTok For You page did not reset. That is totally false. Tell your friends about it, tell your family about it. It did not happen. For those of you that think that that did happen and that's why you're seeing a decrease in views, stick around for the end of this video because I'm gonna be sharing with you what actually happened. And just so you guys know, the reason that the time is off on your TikTok analytics is because they changed it to be standard time. So now what you're gonna have to do, look up standard time, then your local time, find the difference, and that's when you'll be able to see what time you actually posted on TikTok. The reason that they did this is because they're providing analytics to billions of accounts and across several posts. This could mean up to trillions of posts they're actually determining the analytics for. And so many people will go from California to New York, or from New York to California, or from New York to Texas, change their time zone, and then all of the analytics on the app have to update to make sure that it's up to date with your current time zone. That's why they made it a standard time. This is gonna be way easier. I know it's a little bit of a hassle that you have to go and convert things, but trust me, this is gonna make it way easier. It's gonna cause less glitches on TikTok analytics, and it's gonna make the app run even smoother in the future. That being said, if you're posting right now on TikTok based off of when people are on TikTok, according to your analytics, you are making a huge mistake when it comes to growing on TikTok. So many people post when just their followers are online, and that's why they're not getting on the For You page. That's why they're not getting more views. That's why they're not getting more followers, because you guys are going off of when your followers are online. You do not want to do that. You want to post on TikTok based on when other people are online. I'm going to tell you in a little bit how you can do that, but trust me, you do not want to make the mistake of only posting when your followers are online. That is one of the rookie mistakes that creators are making on TikTok. And I know that since you're watching this video, you want to grow faster on TikTok, so please stop making that mistake right now. Next up, if your analytics are not showing on TikTok, no, it does not mean that you're shadow banned. I've been seeing so many comments, so many DMs, Rob, my analytics aren't showing. Does that mean I'm shadow banned? No. There are 3 reasons your analytics won't show. First, because you don't have a creator account. If you have a business account or you have a personal account, get rid of it right now. Don't get rid of it, but change your account status to a creator account. I made a full-length video about this that is right here. You guys could check it out after this video. But long story short, every single person watching this, I don't care if you're a small business, I don't care if you're a grandma that's 70 years old sitting in Ohio right now. Everybody needs a creator account. Please, please, please make a creator account. It allows you to go viral the most on TikTok because you're able to use viral sounds. It also allows you to see analytics, get a link in your bio, and so much more. The other 2 reasons that you won't see your analytics are because 1, there's a glitch going on at TikTok, which again is totally normal, guys. For those of you that know that post on YouTube, YouTube's analytics glitch all the time. It is fine. Like I said earlier in the video, they're literally trying to provide analytics for trillions of posts. That is incredibly hard to do and do it accurately. So if there is a glitch, just wait. Wait a day, wait 2 days, wait 3 days. It's all going to get figured out. Do not stress about it. It does not mean you're shadow banned. And then the other reason that you might not be seeing this is because you didn't actually wait long enough. In most cases, analytics takes 72 to 84 hours to actually be accurate. So please don't make the mistake of posting and then trying to check something the second after, because it's not going to be accurate. And my next point on top of that is that TikTok analytics are not accurate for 72 to 84 hours. So please don't be looking at it for the For You page. Don't be looking at it for watch time. So many people are obsessing over this. Do not do this. Post on TikTok, post on TikTok, post on TikTok. You should be analyzing your post from 72 to 84 hours ago. That's going to give you an accurate amount of watch time, an accurate amount of For You page percentage, and actually allow you to improve your content. Do not be super anal about this, because these things do not update in real time. You can look at your post right now with 1 million views and it might say that none of your views came from the For You page, even though you have 10,000 followers. So obviously all of your views came from the For You page, but the analytics aren't going to update and show you that immediately. So please guys, understand that these are not in real time. They do get updated. So please be patient when you're watching them. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you do not want to try to travel somewhere and not have a map or not have a GPS. You also don't want to use a map that is wrong or a GPS that is wrong. So please make sure you're being patient, waiting for your TikTok analytics to update so that you're actually looking at accurate information that you can then make decisions based off of. Because if you make decisions based off of wrong information, you're going to end up at the wrong location, which means you're not going to grow on TikTok. In order to use your TikTok analytics to actually begin growing way faster, you need to be focusing on 3 metrics. The first is going to be the amount of watch time that you're getting, or the average length that people are watching your videos. If you want to get on the For You page, this is the #1 metric you guys need to be looking at. If your post is 15 seconds long or less, you need to get over 100% watch time. If your post is from 16 to 30 seconds long, you need to be aiming for 75%. And if they're over 30 seconds long, you need to be getting 50% watch time. If you're not hitting those metrics, that's the main thing that you need to be focused on. It's going to get you on the For You page. It's going to get you getting new followers. It's going to get you getting way more views, and it's going to significantly increase your chance of going viral. The next best metric that you guys need to be looking at is what time you're actually posting. Like I said earlier in the video, so many people are making the mistake posting when their followers are online. You do not want to do this on TikTok. When do you actually want to post? You want to post for the best time for your account. If you have posts that are trending, go into your account, go into your analytics, look at your content, look at your 7-day trending posts, 28-day trending posts, see what time those videos were posted. It's probably going to be 2 to 3 time slots. That is where you should be posting 90% of your content. The other 10% of your content should come in random times so that you're always finding a new time, but you guys need to make sure that you're posting at the best time for your account. This is going to be different based on your geolocation, based on your niche, based on the audience you're trying to reach. All of these things are going to differ. So please guys, look at this for your account. I can tell you when to post generally on TikTok, which you guys can find out in this video, which I might link out to the end of this one, or just look up the best time to post on TikTok and you'll see my video pop up, or you can just search my channel for it. But nevertheless, you guys need to be using your TikTok analytics to find the best time to post, and it's not by seeing when your followers are online. It's actually analyzing your old posts and seeing when you posted them and which ones went viral, which ones did well, and what the best posting time for your account is. You guys should be posting within 30 to 45 minutes of whatever those times are on those videos. Finally, you need to be paying attention to the For You page percentage that you're getting on your post. Everybody watching this video, whether you have 0 followers, 1 million followers, 10 million followers, you should be aiming for 100% of your views coming from the For You page. Why? That means you're gonna get way more views, you're getting way more potential, you have the chance of going viral, because if you don't get on the For You page, there's no chance you're going viral. It's gonna mean that you're losing followers, it's gonna mean that you're not growing fast enough, and you're not getting the views you want. So please guys, pay attention to this metric. Everybody watching this should be aiming for 100% For You page views. And if you're not hitting 100% For You page views, it's because you're posting at the wrong time, using the wrong hashtags, posting the wrong content, which is exactly why I created my mentorship program, where I'm gonna tell you what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, and help you grow on TikTok over the next 30 days. And if you don't grow, I'm gonna give you your money back, no questions asked. If you wanna learn more about that, go to the link in my description. Just so you know, the way that it works, you sign up, you go through a 6 steps to becoming a TikTok expert course. After you're done with the course, you're gonna send me some information on your account. I'm gonna send you a personalized plan specific to your account, specific to your niche, telling you when to post, what hashtags to use, what kind of content you should be creating, what kind of content you should be modeling yourself off of, sending you a ton of different content ideas. And then for the next 30 days, I'm gonna be following up with you every 48 to 72 hours to check in with you and critique your content, look at your analytics with you, and really do everything in my power to make sure that you grow on TikTok. And again, if you don't grow after the 30 days, you get your money back, no questions asked. You have absolutely nothing to lose. And since you watch this video, I know that you're ready to take advantage, you're ready to take action, and you're tired of not getting the results that you want on TikTok. So let me guarantee that I can help you get them. Again, you can find more about that at the link in the description. If you're not interested in that, I strongly suggest you check out the rest of my YouTube content. In fact, I'm about to put 2 videos on the screen which YouTube thinks are the next ones that you should watch.